Wasn't going to work out. I was trying to stand over here in the shot so you could get a scale of this, but Saturday, December 20th, Bruce here, Mesh Grow Bags. Yeah, these things are like hitting over 6 foot. Well, not 6 foot minus the pot down there, I guess you could say. But so I guess they're like 4.5, 5 foot tall now. And this one here's my giganteus. Look at the size of those leaves. They're huge. And of course, you know, getting the end of December, Christmas 5 days away. There's a new shoot on that one. That's about maybe 6 days old, I think. And oh, look, there's another one right there. So, and that's a smaller container. That's a Sinicus too, I believe. Turn around here. Yeah, it's a Sinicus from the 12th. August 12th, and the other ones are doing really good here too. Trying to see where there was a new shoot coming. Well, a lot of these are pretty new. They're only less than a month old. There's a new one. There's a little one coming up. But yeah, they've been making new shoots. That's a pretty new one right there. Making new shoots. I don't think that's yeah, that's a Sinicus too. So all those are, most of those are Sinicus. I think there's one long internode right there. These are all membranaceous. These have got some new shoots coming up. And those are in those handy little tall poly bags that I got off of Amazon. Those seem to work pretty good. Oh, there's a brand new shoot in there on that one. So yeah, those are doing great. We've had some rain. There's another shoot. A little bit of rainwater in there, and we're supposed to get a bunch of rain tomorrow. 70% chance of rain all afternoon. And these are doing really good. Look at all the branches on those. This is a later. This is, no, that's from August 1st too. So, but that one got put in a larger pot a little later than these did. These, I'm waiting for these to put up another shoot, but I haven't seen anything yet. It's been a few weeks for those. I got some moss growing down in there. I put that in. Try to start a little. Let's see. Nothing new over there. Man, the last one out of here got really big. It's almost as big as my thumb. And that's probably, geez, almost 5 foot tall all by itself. A couple of these got kinked a little bit. They got really cold. It got down into the 40s one night, so I put a piece of canvas, leftover canvas from a job. I recycled. Man, those shoots are doing really good. Those two great big branches coming off of there, and these branches up here, that one's doing nice. Temperature's pretty mild today. It's going to be in the 70s. It's probably low 70s now. A couple mornings it was in the 40s. I'm rambling too long here, but yeah, that's that. Everything's still shooting, looking good. Oh, I had a tomato that I picked already. It's inside. It's beautiful. It's ripe. I got to get it. I got to eat it. I was going to take a shot of it when I cut it open because they're so beautiful inside. That one got all dinged and banged up by something. I don't know. But those are really good. The black tomatoes, either black Krim or purple Cherokee. I can't tell the difference really. There we go. There's a little wind today. And of course my Bambusa vulgaris, man, those things are doing great. Those got some new shoots that are still opening. That one's one of the newest ones, that one in the back there. And of course that one right there is a real new one. That's going to be filling out, just starting to get its branches. And then I got a couple shorter ones here, and the ones over in the back lot over there. Hang on. See this one right here, which is real close to the power lines, is that's a brand new one right there coming up. This one right here doesn't have much branch on it yet, so that one's going to fill out some more. And then over in the back, over in the next street practically, those are just starting to fill out and get their branches on them. So yeah, new skyline now. Much better than pepper trees for sure. And then this thing isn't putting any shoots out yet or anything, but it's not dying, and I haven't given it much water. Maybe just a couple times. It's just got one little shoot out of the bottom there, but it should root in and it should be fine. It'll make some shoots next year probably. There's a pretty good scale of what bamboo does. When I first put this in, I think it was just this stick right here, smaller than my pinky, and it was probably about 4 or 5 foot tall. And then by the next season, or I don't know, maybe it had this one with it too, I'm not sure, but after those two got established, it made one, you know, like broom size, a broom handle size or mop handle size. And then the next one was, you know, geez, this thing was almost as big as my wrist. No, not quite, but it's like 1.5 inches diameter. And then the next one is 1 3/4 inches probably. So it stepped up pretty quick just in one season. It grew all that in one season. So this was put in just a little bit over a year ago, and they're probably hitting 15, 18 feet tall, maybe a little more. This one isn't quite to full height yet. You can see it's still got the sheaths on it, so it's pretty fresh. It's just starting to put some branches out. This one's already got branches, a couple feet long out there. Ooh, I got to get all these vines off of this. These vines will climb the bamboo. And you see bamboo grows quick, but these vines grows quicker than the bamboo because they'll get to the top of it. So you got to cut all that back. But these branches here, this one over here, whoops, will get branches like that too. And here they are starting right now. So they start out like just a little nub with the sheath on there, and then the sheath will drop off like this one is. And then they'll start little branches like that, and the branches will get bigger and bigger, like this. And then they'll eventually get, you know, a couple feet long. I'm going to take a cutting off of one of these today, one of the not too young ones, maybe this one right here. I'm going to cut the top off of this. Wow, look how high those vines are up there. They're over 7 feet high right now. Look at that. Look at that mess. I got to pull all this out of here.